I like this one. Where would you be right now had you not quit? Like, had you not stopped? Like, there's no secret to this winning thing. Like, you have to understand that success is relative. What you're called to do and what you're supposed to go do does not look the same. It shouldn't look the same. It's not supposed to look the same as what anybody else is doing or saying. And you keep getting thrown off because I think you're doing this comparison thing. Well, where are they at? Where am I at? How fast are they going? How much have I accomplished? Well, let me scroll, let me double tap. Well, based on what they should, no. The name of the game is consistency. That is the #1 ingredient in any equation, in any recipe for getting to where it is you want to be. Where it is you want to be, not to where you're quote unquote supposed to be. Your finish line and your success is relative to who you are. It does not look the same, and it shouldn't. So had you not quit, where would you be right now? What does consistency look like on your life? Do you keep going just when you're winning, just when you're feeling good, just when you're motivated and inspired? Are you motivated or are you dedicated? There's a difference. Or do you need to keep watching YouTube videos and listening to stuff like this to get you going again? Are you dedicated to what it is you're called to do? What does consistency look like on your life? And had you not quit, where would you be right now? They say hindsight is 20/20. Man, if I knew then what I know now. Well, guess what? You know now what you should know then. You know it right now. So what does consistency look like starting today and over the rest of your life? What position does that put you in? I dare you to try consistency on. Never take it off. Don't wash it. Let it get dirty. Let it get smelly. And see where it puts you.